Tastes different from others.
Spicy.
Ooh, very spicy. Hello friends, how y'all doing? In today's video we're gonna be trying different kinds of jerky. We have beef, ostrich, alligator, kangaroo, all kinds of different types of meat. We're gonna start with a simple one, beef and buffalo. I tried beef before but not buffalo, so let's check it out. Solid piece of dry meat. Let's try it. Sweet, greasy. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. So we'll try venison.
Sin, not sun.
Venison. Well, same color of meat. Nothing different, but let's see if the taste is different. Oops. Sorry, man. Not as sweet. Pretty good. I like it. Next one is elk. Let's try this one out. And again, looks like all of these are the same color. The tastes are different. You agree with me?
Yeah. Doesn't have that much flavor.
Yeah. Not as sweet. Spicy.
Yeah.
So we'll try wild boar. Oh, pretty chewy.
Kind of tastes like barbecue.
Oh, it says barbecue flavored jerky. That's why it tastes like barbecue.
I think it's pretty good.
A little bit chewy when you start chewing it at first. Next one we're gonna try a bird. Big ostrich. What do you think it's gonna taste like?
I don't know.
No expectations? Alright, let's check it out. Same color. Not bad. Hickory smoked. Says beef and ostrich.
Kind of tastes like the first one. There's a little bit of sweetness to it.
I think it's because of hickory.
Yeah.
Alright, next one we'll try alligator. Alligator and beef, Cajun style. Oh, very greasy.
Oh.
Tastes different from others.
Spicy.
Ooh, very spicy. Very mild taste, but spicy. Very interesting. My first time trying alligator and actually ostrich too. Pretty spicy.
I don't like it.
You don't like it? You want some more?
No, I'm fine.
In general, it's not too bad. It's just a little bit too spicy for us. But if someone likes spicy food, will probably like that one too. Next one is kangaroo. That would be interesting.
It seems like it's more thick.
It just says kangaroo with beef. Tastes a little bit like chicken,
Yeah.
right? Well, I definitely like this one way more than alligator.
Oh yeah.
This one is another alligator. Barbecue flavored. It actually tastes similar to that other alligator, except this one was very spicy. This type of alligator I like. So next one is beef and buffalo, chipotle and garlic flavored. That should be good.
It also said it was spicy.
It said that? Oh yeah, it says spicy. Not as bad as that first alligator. Alright, and last but not least is beef. Just a regular beef jerky.
Pemmican style jerky made with dried fruits.
Oh, interesting. Dry fruits. I can even feel it's a little bit tough.
It's very, very hard.
Oh wow. It's the toughest out of all of this, but not too bad. I don't know if I can taste the fruit here. Can you?
I think I just got one.
Yeah? You like it?
Yeah.
So it's just a plain beef. Well, thank you for watching this. Well, thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos and we'll see you next time.